I guess, how do you feel? I mean, this is all pretty new, right?
Oh, this is 1,000% new. Well, one of the concerns is the bugs. When I saw Expedition, I said, what have I gotten myself into?
Hey there. Oh my God.
We all are fatherless.
People knew me on the inside, I wouldn't get all these compliments.
I never want to put myself in an opportunity where I might fail.
And I remember that moment I said, you don't have a chance, you don't have time to cry. You got to go figure it out.
Without Dad there, it was tough.
Fatherlessness, it's not a period.
You're trying to create something that you've never seen.
It doesn't have to define them.
I just want you to hear those words of like, you're released.
In this moment as we sit here, we are first generation cycle breakers. We are.